Pokémon Go recently launched a new creature, but that's now totally unavailable, leaving fans furious. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Last week, players tracked down Silicobra, the sand snake Pokemon, after its debut in Pokémon Go's latest Sustainability Week event. While spawns were rare, fans mapped out where the creature might appear, only for Niantic to change its criteria only hours after the map was widely publicized. Initially, Niantic didn't say anything. However, a day later, the company claimed that they've adjusted Silicobra encounters to align more closely with its natural habitat, and that the trainers should look for them in desert-like areas. But the statement doesn't really provide any further detail on what's changed or why. Players have negatively reacted to all of this as now. The most recent fan-made map shows Silicobra almost completely extinct in the eastern US, Europe, and Japan. Even in the UK, Silicobra can only be found in the far-off places, while Niantic made no promise that the data said it initially used for Silicobra spawns would continue to be used long-term. Plus, there isn't any in-game biome indicator, which many players have been calling to be added so that areas marked as desert can actually be determined without needing third-party tools. This would make it easier to locate Pokemons whose spawns typically correspond to their habitats. As one player said, there's absolutely zero transparency about biomes except the occasional background shift, but there doesn't seem to be a desert biome background either. Unfortunately, the only way to get Silicobra is through the desert only. Other options like eggs, field research, or even the premium event pass won't work. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.